Take a look around. You might think this railway is driven by coal, steam, diesel fuel, and that it depends on machines. But actually, it's powered by people. People like you. Our Railway and Heritage Centre are positively buzzing with volunteers. Some work with our visitors day in and day out. Some are behind the scenes, keeping everything on the move. Some of the jobs are technical, like working with a heritage locomotive. Some are all about getting stuck in, no matter the size of the challenge. It might be you, looking picture perfect at our next big event. Sometimes it's thirsty work, so we definitely need a hand keeping the refreshments flowing. Perhaps you've got a skill you'd like to share. Or maybe you want a complete change and to learn something new. You don't have to be a people person. We can unlock your passion person. There are model railways, miniature railways, a vintage bus collection, and of course, the mainline railway itself. All of it needs looking after and showing off to inspire a new generation. So why get involved? Well, we got our team of volunteers together and they put it best.
Experiences that you'll never get anywhere else. I volunteer because of the people on the railway.
It's just something to be very proud of being a part of.
If it wasn't for all the volunteers at Great Central, we wouldn't have a heritage railway. So that's why I do it also, is to keep this Great Central Railway going.
This is the place where I know most people and my friends are here.
I've learned how to use a lot of tools and stuff and how a lot of bits of the railway work.
You meet people and I'm doing a good job for the railway.
We would love to see you here. You can give as much or as little time as you want, depending on the role you're volunteering for. We promise a warm welcome, no matter what you're interested in. So go on, drop us an email, join the team, and don't look back. The Great Central Railway Adventure is for everyone, including you.